This was beyond anyone's prediction. Blackrock, a well-known brand in the cryptocurrency world. Their work and the approval of a Bitcoin ETF allowed us to create a great bull wave. In March, the price of Shiba Inu even tripled, but for now, things don't seem to be going well. Has Blackrock suddenly switched sides? This is a momentous day that will be cherished forever. Blackrock took the cryptocurrency world by surprise. Coinbase is working to address the problem while Shiba Inu is in danger, and it even prompted a statement from Satoshi Kusama. There is something really amazing going on in the cryptocurrency world right now. However, what is really happening? What even am I attempting to say? Okay, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. We're going to start off today with some startling information that has been making the rounds online. Something that nobody anticipated. The Blackrock Spot Bitcoin ETF just disclosed that it has sold $13.5 million worth of Bitcoin. They've only ever seen negative flows twice, and they're all being caught off guard by it. This seems somewhat unsettling at first. The selling off by a major player like BlackRock might have a knock-on impact on the whole market. When they see this, investors get concerned. Is BlackRock privy to information that the rest of us are not? Is this a hint of things to come? People become anxious just from the unknown, particularly in a market as volatile as cryptocurrency already. Thus, it makes sense why this news is making such a big deal. To put this in perspective, the Ethereum ETF has been seeing withdrawals for the last 9 days, which has had a significant effect on the market. It's likely that you've been observing the charts and have observed how erratic the movements have been, not just for Ethereum, but almost all other tokens as well. In instance, Shiba Inu's price has fluctuated wildly. Shiba Inus are very sensitive to news about ATS, as everyone knows, and the last few days have been no exception. Numerous individuals were taken aback by the erratic fluctuations in prices. Positively, however, most people are used to Shiba Inus being erratic. It's inherent in the market, which is part of what attracts some traders. However, even by those measures, the recent fluctuations have been more surprising than normal. What's remarkable, however, is that the Bitcoin ETF held fairly steady while the Ethereum ETS struggled with 9 straight days of outflows. This consistency on the part of Bitcoin, particularly BlackRock, has been a lifesaver and has kept the market from plunging further lower. Undoubtedly, the news of 9 days of Ethereum ETF withdrawals is unsettling and has alarmed a number of investors. However, the Bitcoin ETF's ability to maintain its stability has been an essential safeguard. Since Bitcoin continues to be the most valuable cryptocurrency, its performance has the most influence and control over the altcoin market as a whole. Thus, its stability prevented things from getting out of hand by absorbing the shock for the rest of the market. However, things have changed lately. The Bitcoin ETF was found to have joined in on the madness. Given that BlackRock just sold $13.5 million yesterday, this is just the second instance in history of a negative flow in the Bitcoin ETF. This is rather terrible considering the circumstances. The fact that Bitcoin is beginning to exhibit indications of weakness is significant since Ethereum is already having trouble with ongoing withdrawals. It gives rise to worries that there may be even greater volatility and uncertainty in the market. It's a clue that things might become much more difficult in the future when the most reliable and powerful asset in the crypto industry begins to collapse. Still, some individuals maintain their optimism in spite of everything. Someone tweeted a thought-provoking observation. They are arguing that the market isn't necessarily doomed despite BlackRock's negative flows. Perhaps it's only a little hiccup in the path, or perhaps it's the calm before a significant change. They are implying that while things seem unclear right now, there may be a chance for a significant development to occur later on. And it's possible that this Twitter user is not far from the truth. Looking into BlackRock and returning our attention to Ethereum, we see something quite intriguing. Thanks to BlackRock, Ether ETF flows have gone positive for the first time in the last 2 weeks. Considering the circumstances at hand, this is an unexpected story twist. The Ethereum ETF unexpectedly experiences a positive move, just when everyone was concerned about all the outflows and the possibility of a market slump. It's surprising, particularly in light of all the recent bad news about Ethereum and Bitcoin. However, many continue to hold the view that the current negative flow for Bitcoin is, to use their own phrase, concerning. They could also be accurate. Not only is there a negative flow, but it's just the second time in history that it has occurred, and it originates from Blackrock, which makes it problematic. This word is circulating swiftly, which might result in a difficult scenario. Panic may start to spread as more individuals learn about it, and the market may become much more volatile. This kind of action from a major player like BlackRock tends to rattle investor confidence, which may make things even more uncertain in the coming days. Things start to become intriguing at this point. People often take action to try to stop their favorite cryptocurrency projects from collapsing when they become aware that they may be about to do so once again. It is logical. Supporters and investors work to keep the market afloat since they don't want to see their money go. And now for the action. Surprisingly, 96 billion Shiba Inu tokens were burnt in a single transaction by an unidentified wallet that originated on Coinbase. As usual, the community-driven burn tracker for Shiba Inu, Shiba Burn, discovered this large transaction right away and highlighted it in an X post today. This action resulted in an amazing boost in the Shiba Inu burn rate of 28,000%. Even more fascinating is the fact that the wallet had not been used for 154 days before to this transaction. On March 28, 2024, its final known activity occurred before it abruptly went into a large burn. Although the cause of this blaze is still unclear, given the state of the market, it may have been intentional in an effort to keep the price of Shiba Inu from plunging. Given the strength of the Shiba Inu community and their frustration with the frequent price drops, investors in Shiba Inus may be considering a deliberate attempt to maintain the price with this unexpected shift from a dormant wallet. When a group is this fervent, even a long silent participant may be able to come in and provide support when things seem unclear. Will the market be stabilized nevertheless
when the figure
by
reaches
this
the
effort?
trillions? There was a huge drop in the
But Shiba
cryptocurrency
Inu
market
had some
today.
other exciting news
Should we
today as well.
nevertheless be afraid?
Shiba Inus are now available as collateral assets for futures trading on Kraken, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange, according to recent announcements. Put simply, this implies that traders on Kraken may now trade futures contracts using Shiba Inu as a kind of security. This is significant because it demonstrates that a significant exchange values Shiba Inu as a valued asset. Shiba Inu is in a bull market as assistance from a major exchange like as Kraken increases its visibility and reputation. It may draw in more traders and investors, which might raise prices and provide some market stability. Fans of Shiba Inu, including principal developer Satoshi Kusama, are excited about this development. He used a halo emoji and a happy smile in response to the news, indicating that he thought this development will be good for Shiba Inu in the future. Based on his response, Kusama seems to think that this action could improve Shiba Inu's performance in the long run by increasing their demand and visibility. This is particularly noteworthy since Shiba Inus have been around for a long and have already benefited from a variety of trades. But Kusama has responded directly to this most recent development, which gives the story more significance and optimism. The whole cryptocurrency industry is now holding its breath, not knowing what will come next. Together with its chief developer, the Shiba Inu community is trying to make the most of the current circumstances and be ready for whatever comes next. Everyone is keeping a careful eye on these developments to see how they impact the market. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.